Hey, how are you?
Good.
Sarah?
Yeah.
Going here? In the front?
Yeah, I'll sit in the front.
Right, let me put my stuff in the back.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
I can sit in the back too if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I got
In the middle?
big ass backpack.
That is okay. All good.
All good.
And by the way, I'm streaming on YouTube.
Oh,
Nice.
yes.
I see that, yeah.
Is it cool if I keep the stream on?
Sure.
That is okay.
All right, let's go.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. One up?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go. Guys, have a good day today.
It's been a great day.
The
Nice.
day's almost over. A new day begins soon.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
It's like that, you seen that movie with the guy from Stranger Things? Joe.
Is that a new movie?
You know what I'm talking about, right? It's
Yeah,
like,
I know who you're talking about.
He's a driver and he live streams.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Okay. Yeah.
Is that from a movie?
Yeah, you should watch it. It's like the same premise.
What's the name of it?
Let me look it up.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah. What's his name? Joe Keller? Kiri. It's called Spree, like the candy. SPREE.
Spree.
He's like a
Is that on Netflix or?
desperate for an online following. A rideshare driver has figured out a deadly plan to go viral, and he will stop at nothing.
What?
His 5 minutes of fame.
That sounds like me.
yeah, dude, yeah.
Oh shit. Spree.
Yeah, Spree. It's on YouTube, Amazon Prime.
I have both. I have YouTube. I have Amazon Prime.
Redbox.
Redbox. All right. Sounds like a plan.
When I was a little kid, I kept the first 2 rush hours from Redbox. We had to pay for them in full.
Oh shit. What?
Let's just keep the CD.
25
Like,
bucks.
okay, sure. My mom was so mad.
I love Redbox.
It was great.
Awesome.
You guys want to say anything to the live?
What's up, live? How
Wanna
many
hold
people?
it?
Oh.
I have 100,000 subscribers. I
How
know.
many years?
You have
That's cool.
100,000 subscribers?
Yeah.
Holy
That's
shit.
crazy.
You want to hold it or?
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't
I'll
wanna-
talk. Let's see what they're saying.
Driver? Do on my regular video, CW, fake Uber driver. Blonde Batty. Blonde Batty. All right. Isn't that where I'm at? Lindsay? All right, Lindsay. Lindsay Lohan. Picking up Lindsay Lohan. What up, Vietnamese brother? Man, got a lot of clowns today, huh?
Turn right.
Like 80% of the comments are fucking clowns, bro. I'm not complaining, but I'm just I just think these clowns are fucking hilarious, bro. Not in a good way.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on Spear Boulevard. Then the pickup will be on the right.
All right, Lindsay Lohan. Tonight. Didn't she also sing? I think she had made a song, right? Lindsay Lohan. She had one. Yeah. She put out one hit, I think. I remember that. Yeah. And Paris Hilton is a DJ. Maybe she got the connect from Britney Spears, huh? Lindsay, Britney, and Paris. Yeah, I think she put out one song, Lindsay Lohan. I remember that. Tonight, I'ma love you tonight. I don't think we can pull up on Spear. Not possible. We can pull up on this one. Right?
In 250 feet, the pickup will be on the right.
Can't pull up on Spear. Woman? What are you talking about? Lindsay? How's it going?
How are you?
Doing well, doing well. Going here?
Turn
Alright.
right.
By the way, I'm streaming on YouTube. Is it cool if I keep the live stream on?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Let's go.
I wonder why I need to go back into your house and always talk to her. Like my car keys.
In 650 feet, turn right on Lincoln Street. Turn right on Lincoln Street.
Oh. Well, like, I was like,
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on East 6th Avenue.
yeah, I don't want it to be like, oh, I haven't heard you. No, I was like, watch out. Oh, shit, though.
You sure?
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Sarah?
Yes.
Oh, right.
I'm so proud. I'm going home early tonight.
Nice. Are you a bartender?
Then turn right.
No.
Just come here to drink?
Yeah, and trivia.
Oh, okay. Trivia Wednesday?
Yeah. Oh, are you on live?
Yeah. Is it cool if we keep the live stream on?
Yeah, that's okay. Where is it on?
YouTube. You want to say hi to them?
Hello.
You want to hold it for a couple of minutes?
Sure. Thanks.
It's all yours. You
Hi, guys.
can turn on the lights. And we're here.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's
All
okay.
right. Trivia Wednesday. Usually it's on Tuesday, right?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's on Wednesdays. Always. Always.
Really?
Yeah.
A lot of bars do it on Tuesday.
Not this one.
Gotcha.
Hi, guys.
It's on YouTube, by the way.
Okay, cool. That's okay.
Did you
Turn
watch
right.
any YouTube videos?
Sometimes.
Did you win anything tonight?
In 1.6
No, I got
miles,
last
Turn
place.
right on South University.
Last place?
Hi, guys. Yeah.
I'll let you talk to them.
Oh, really?
Hopefully they're not mean to you. I have a lot of trolls here.
Oh, it's okay. No, they're being really nice.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. They're new glasses. Oh, they know my name. Sarah.
Yep.
Okay, that's okay. How long have you been live streaming?
This live stream, for this live or like in general?
Just in general.
I would say 4 years.
Oh, cool. So you probably have a lot of following.
120,000 subscribers.
Really?
Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah.
Hi, guys. They're saying, would you like a grilled cheese sandwich with jalapeno poppers wrapped in bacon? No.
You want to play trivia with me?
Oh, yeah, I can ask you one of the questions that I
All
got wrong. Everybody, do you guys want to play trivia with us? So, who was the 2009 Country Music Award Entertainer of the Year?
2009. Holy shit.
I got this question wrong.
Garth Brooks.
Oh, wow, you answered that quick. I guessed Keith Urban. Everybody put their guesses in the comments. Hi from Vegas. That's cool. Have you been to Vegas in a while?
Last year I was there.
Oh, yeah. Where'd you stay?
At that tall ass hotel that looks like the Needle.
The pyramid one? Or
The Strat. The Strat. Yeah.
Oh, I've never been there.
It's kind of like half a mile away from the strip.
Okay. That's probably why. Hi from California. I was just in California too.
Use
Oh
the
my
right
Nice.
lane to turn right on South
I was
University
in
Boulevard.
Terranea,
Where's that?
South California. Here, you could take this back.
Oh,
It's
right.
making me a little sick.
I got that one wrong. Yeah, I don't listen to country music until like.
It was
this-
Taylor Swift was the answer. I got it wrong.
Holy cow, she's been out that long?
Yeah, right?
Yes, I know she started out country
Mm-hmm.
with Teardrops from My Guitar.
Yeah, and I was surprised she got Entertainer of the Year. I was like,
Wow.
oh my god, I guessed that wrong.
All right, are you asking me the questions from the bar?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
All right. I'm ready for the next one.
Okay, I need to remember it.
How about I ask you one, huh?
Okay.
Oh, shit. This might be tough, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this might be like freaking Jeopardy level.
I have to answer the question.
No, like name